everybody. Mike Pfeiffer. I went down to Mexico, Palomas to be specific, to get some more dental work done. We go down here all the time to get dental work done. Today I went by myself. I just had to get some stitches taken out. But anyways, so I'm by myself. So I decided to stop here in Deming on the way back. Robin was kind enough to pack me a lunch, and we'll see if we see any trains. Okay, the lines that you see here closest to us, those are the two UP main lines. And I believe back here you can see the Southwestern. They have a little yard office over there. You can see, I believe those are three SD40-2s. The one looks like it could have been Kansas City Southern, I don't know. And of course a BNSF and possibly a Conrail. They have quite a mix of equipment here coming and going. There was quite a bit here this morning when I came through here, but I didn't have time to stop this morning. But we'll see if we catch anything else rolling through. Yeah, we can see down there as well that Southwestern has a few hopper cars in the yard. Looks like they got a few ties laying there. They must be doing some tie work up the way. I don't know. Let me swing around and take a picture of what else is sitting here. A couple of tank cars there. Sorry about the noise, but I'm right next to the freeway. Anyway, a couple of tank cars there and a Santa Fe 60-foot car with the old Santa Fe quality Q on it. Pretty interesting. See if I can zoom in on that a little bit. And down the way there, tank cars, gondolas, and hoppers. Just a few sitting on the Southwestern siding. Well, let's see if anything else comes by. Okay, gang, I'm standing here on a public crossing. You can see maybe by the building back here that this is Ruby Street in Deming, New Mexico. Crosses the main line, the two UP main lines and the two Santa Fe and Southwestern lines that go from Deming to Rincon and then on up to the mines at Santa Rita. Since there's not much activity right now, I'm going to show you the Amtrak station here in Deming, New Mexico. Okay, here we are. Amtrak's beautiful downtown Deming rail depot. You can see here that, like most Amtrak stations across the country, we have slightly more than all the amenities of homeless. They do have a schedule posted. They do keep it pretty decent in here, as decent as they can keep it with people tearing it up all the time. But anyway, this is the Deming Amtrak station. Okay, on this crossing, this is in Deming also, same place. This is heading west towards Lordsburg. And let me slowly swing around here on this crossing. And that is heading east towards El Paso. You can see some, you might be able to see in the video, I'm not sure, there's some dark images down there. Those are on a siding. There seems to be a bunch of maintenance away equipment down there. We'll just wait and see if anything comes by. I'm not too shifty with the camera while I'm driving, but there's the old depot back there that they restored and moved to that location. Well, I've been here about an hour, and I've only seen the one train, the Norfolk and Southern locomotives. So I think I'm going to give it up for today. I guess this will be a short video, but as usual, gang, thanks for watching.